Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie and I am today doing my favorite box, which is a ThredUp DIY Designer Box unboxing. These are so rare anymore. I used to get so many of them. I'd have 2 of them a week. And I just can't get them anymore. I haven't been getting a lot of them. So I'm super excited that I have one. I pray I can get another one. Let's just see if that happens. It's really hard to find them anymore. Everybody's kind of gotten the word that they're out there. And so anyway, I got one though, so yay for that. And here it is. It's a little heavy. So shoes and purses and shoes and jackets. You know what? It's fun. I hope I don't get a lot of luxe stuff. I do like brands like Escada and Trina Turk and you know, other brands like that are kind of really not, they're more luxe than luxury. But they don't sell well, some of those brands. Diane von Furstenberg dresses are iconic and wonderful, but they don't sell very well in the secondhand market. If they do for you, let me know. I'd love to hear. Meanwhile, I do have a new romper on. It's Free People. I got it at Opit's outlet in Minneapolis. If you haven't been there, you have to go. And then I have these earrings on that I got in a ThredUp jewelry box. And I bought this from a woman on Facebook. I bought a bunch of stuff from her to sell on eBay. And this is so beautiful. Look at this. It's got druzy and amethyst. And then these are black pearls, I believe she said. She said she paid $200 for it. But I only paid her $25. So I don't know. Anyway, but let's get to the box. All right. Super excited. Why can't I have like 10 of these boxes? So cute. All right. Are we ready? I hope I get some good stuff. Oh, what if I got Chanel? Rarely do I get Chanel or Hermes, but maybe I will. You never know. All right, there, we got her open. And this time, I really like the fact that they wrote on the side DIY. So, let's do this. All right, let's make sure that's what I got, because DIY, oh yeah. Rescue box, DIY designer, 7 items. So it's 7 items for $140. Along with shipping comes to $150. I think I estimated $22 per item is what the cost is. But it adds up. Once you start getting luxe items instead of designer, you got to add the cost that you can't sell onto the other items. People who open these boxes understand me. All right, let's do this. Woo-hoo. Okay, gonna get, oh golly. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. It looks like a great box. I see more. Let's see. I see some shoes. 2 pair of shoes. I think there's a purse in there. Oh my gosh. Oh, all right. That's what I see so far, but let's get to it. Why do they always have to send the cute stuff in my size? That's not fair. But, you know, then again, it is. All right. First up is this absolutely beautiful pair of Jimmy Choo silver, kind of like a sparkly silver sandals with a kitten heel, about a 2.5 inch to 3 inch heel. These are in great shape. They're a size 39. There's the back. The heel's in good shape. A lot of times they're chewed up when you get. Look at how clean they are. Are they still? Let's see. The strap works. Let's see if there's any stones missing, because I kind of thought some of the rhinestones might be missing, but I don't see any missing. So here are the rhinestones. I don't see anything missing on this shoe. Maybe the other. Okay, the clasp is working on the other shoe. And I don't see anything wrong. Sometimes in these boxes you get something and there's not something, and they just couldn't sell it. I don't see any stones missing on this one either. So these are great. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, look at them. They're so clean. And there's the heels. There's that. By the way, I'm going to have pricing on the screen in case you want to, or if you're interested in buying these. It will be about half of what I would list them for on my eBay store. So 40% to half, somewhere in there. These are great. Even the bottoms don't show much wear, so you can kind of look and see the size there, Jimmy Choo. But really, a lot of the story is told when you look at the insole. Look how clean it is. And there is the toe. There are the toes. Love getting Jimmy Choo. All right, that is amazing. What are these? Oh my God. Oh, don't be my size now. 38. Sometimes I can wear a 38. It just depends. Okay, now for some reason they clasped them all together. It's got the green tag. That means that they've been authenticated. These are new. These have not been worn. Oh my gosh. I don't know. There might be something wrong with them. Is there or no? There's nothing. There's nothing wrong with these. Oh my heavens. Okay, I just have to show you. What? Oh my gosh. Look at the heel. They're new. They've never, I mean, have they been worn? Look at them. They've got, I don't see any wear. They're a size 38, made in Italy. Givenchy. Givenchy is the brand name. Maybe they were worn once for an hour. But they're very, so you can't see it, but I'm gonna put this all together when this video is done to make sure that it all clasps. But it looks like it's never been used. This just goes through here and then they clasp together. And same with, oh, I see. No. Unless it's in the box somewhere. Yeah, there's a strap missing. That's the problem with these, so that's a bummer. But gosh, are those nice. Oh, look at the heel. I want to have a wedding to go to so I can wear these, but I really don't think my knees can handle it. So I'm going to have to figure out what to do without that strap. I don't know. But we're going on to the third item right now, so all right. So far, I really like those shoes. It is a bummer about that strap. Maybe I can get another one from the company. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I have a pair of pants, and this makes me extremely happy. It's a USA size 8, which is amazing, and I'm not even going to tell you. I'm just going to show you. Brunello Cucinelli. They're kind of like a gray, and they're kind of a skinny leg there, and I don't see anything wrong with these. Oh, they've been authenticated. It's got the green tag. The zipper works. I don't see anything wrong with these pants. So they're size 8. They've got some stretch to them too. Made in Italy. Let me show you up close. Where's the size? Here we go. Here is the size tag. So what a great find, Brunello Cucinelli. There's no pockets in these pants at all. They're just flat front and flat back. This brand, Brunello Cucinelli, is fire. Total fire. You can sell anything from that brand, just about anything. So that is a great find. Yay! Super happy about that one. All right, I'm looking at a Sandro item, which Sandro is not great for resale. It's a size 2, and here it is. It's kind of a paisley print, green shirt, kind of a satiny. I don't know what the material is. It's probably nylon. 100% polyester. Yeah, it's polyester. So that is the shirt. It's a size 2. I will get a picture of it on the mannequin so you can see it, but it's tiny and it's a Sandro shirt. It's in good condition, I think. There might be some darkening right here. If that's the case, I'm not even gonna. It's not worth it to put a bunch of work into it. So yeah, this one's kind of just a lost cause. I hate to say it. It's got some darkening, so meh. All right, next up is, oh. Ooh, I love Versace. They got a Versace shirt, and it is tiny, and it's a size medium. But I mean, look at this. It's like a baby. It's kind of like I guess it's cropped a little bit. I personally am short, so I don't mind having a little shorter length myself. There's the logo down there, and then here is the logo right here. You can see it's got the medium. There we go. All right, and then it's black, and it's got some really cute, it's got like ribbing at the sides, and I don't see any holes in it or anything. I take that back. Here's what's wrong with this shirt. Right at the back of the neck, there's a little hole. But mind you, that can be sewn up easily. I could sew that up easily. And then it's got a little zip. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. So don't mind it as much about the Sandro item now. All right, what's next? Oh my gosh. All right, well, Alice and Olivia size medium, and it's a beautiful dress. Oh my gosh, look at that dress. That's so cool. If that was my size. I don't know if that looks like it might fit me. I'm gonna have to try that on. Right, here is the tag. Alice and Olivia. Feels like nylon or polyester. I don't know. I'm gonna go look and see here what this is. Unless someone a lot of people tear out the tags. I just can't understand why they do that. But well, I understand if it's irritating them. That makes sense. All right, here we go. It is. It's viscose, 100% viscose, which viscose is a nice material. It is absolutely adorable, absolutely adorable. So actually, a lot of Alice and Olivia is just kind of luxe, but that was really nice. I love the pattern of it. All right, I think we have one item left. So we had one. We'll count them when we're done. And the last item is Armani. It's an Armani patent leather bag. I think that's Armani. Armani jeans. All right, now here is the logo. And you can also see the logo on the front of it. It's kind of embossed on there. It's cute. It's really cute. It's pink. It's kind of like a dusty pink. Super cute. Let's see. Okay, some of the edge coat is worn. That might be what's wrong with it and why it ended up in this box. But other than that, like the inside is really clean. Look at the inside. There's the inside. There's the Armani jeans logo. Here it is on the other side. And then it's got double handles. Some of the edge coat peeled off a little on the double handles. Not a ton. I don't think anyone would notice it unless they really looked up close. And then what is the other? Isn't there another strap on here? No, it's just, oh, okay, these things, the snaps at the sides. Huh. It snaps at the sides. I'm not sure this might be just, I'm not sure if this is patent leather or not. I'm gonna have to do some research. But I think everything else is working. The only thing I can really see is that it's lost its shape a little bit and the edge coat on the handles. But otherwise, it's great. And I'm very tempted to keep it myself. It's so cute. Look at it. It's a big tote bag. And it snaps. By the way, it's a magnetic snap. There's 2 pockets on the inside and 1 zip pocket. There's 2 slip pockets and 1 zip pocket. And the internal has the logo on it. This bag is adorable. Look at the cute little gemstone on here. It's still there. It's not missing. So, and you also get this super cute logo keychain or hang tag or whatever you call it. So, I got one. We got the purse. We've got the Alice and Olivia dress size medium. We've got the Versace shirt, which is gorgeous. We've got a Sandro shirt size 2, which is, I don't know. I'm gonna wash it and see. I've got these Givenchy shoes, which, hello. So cute, so cute. Then we've got the Brunello Cucinelli pants. By the way, the only thing I see wrong with these pants is there is some fading on them. Because, you know, when you wash things, they get faded, especially if you dry them in the dryer. I do not dry any of my designer stuff in the dryer, and I usually wash it by hand. But anyway, there is a light fading, but not so much that I would say it's anything wrong. And let's just try the zipper and make sure that works. Yeah, the zipper works. All right. And then the last item is these absolutely gorgeous Jimmy Choo sandals with rhinestones. So cute. All right, and that is my DIY designer box. I loved it so much. I just want another. I want to do them every week. If I could get them every week, I would. But I don't know if you know, but a lot of times a lot of people know about them, and I just randomly look now and then, and it's just really hard to find them. So anyway, that is my haul for today. Thank you so much for watching, and this Friday I'm doing, my video is going to be silver themed. I will be dressed in silver. Okay, have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.